guys. Oh, look at the wall. The wall looks nice. So they rebuilt this wall. You guys saw that last week. They were fixing that wall. Looks like they're gonna fix this one too. Oh. So it is, what is it, Thursday? Oh, it's Thursday. It's Thanksgiving Day, Mom. Thanksgiving. We're here with Mom. Mom, say
hi.
Oh, so we're heading over to the bank. Mom's a rich woman today, right, Mom?
No.
What are you talking about?
No.
So last year at this time, Mom put in a lot of money into the term deposits. What do you call it? Fixed deposits, right, Mom? And today she's going to, it matures, so she's going there to renew it at the bank. So we're dealing with commercial banks. So how much interest rate did you get last year, Mom? 24%. And then now you're gonna get?
I don't know, maybe 12 or 13.
Yeah, we're gonna put it for a year, right?
I don't know. I have to wait.
I think a year will be good. Right now we're at commercial bank and they're offering 13.65 for 4 months and 12.5% for 1 year or 2. So we're gonna take the full amount plus the interest, Mom?
Part of it, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. And then put that into like re-roll it in. I'm gonna take some money and put that away as well, and I'm gonna ask some questions. Now, the reason I have to go is because we have a joint account.
No,
Mom.
you don't have to.
Oh, because I signed away. I already signed the papers, but I have to sign for her, and she has to sign for me because we have a joint account. I forgot about that, so I can't do anything without her. That's why I love you, Bobby. So we're gonna head over to Commercial Bank. We're gonna see what kind of rates we can get today, which is November 23rd. Mama Tinoa. Mama Tinoa. Okay. How much?
I have it.
Okay, you have it. All right. So we're gonna head over to Commercial Bank in Jayala, and once we get there, we'll figure out what kind of rates we're getting, what kind of things are going on. We'll see you guys on the other side. All right, we're back, guys, back from the bank. So it turns out that Mom has another term deposit that's coming due in 2 more weeks, another smaller one. So I suggested just wait and combine the two into one in December 5th, right, Mom? So you were telling another thing about US dollars in cash. You cannot. Oh, he locked up somebody. He's a bad man. So when you take US dollars to the bank, cash to deposit, you have to prove where the money came from.
Yeah, and within 3, if you are coming from
overseas,
within 3 months of you coming from overseas, you have to deposit.
You have a window of opportunity to deposit without making a statement.
Yeah.
But after that, you have to make a statement.
After that, yeah, it's a long
administrative process. And that is, again, to avoid money laundering. The other problem I had was transferring my US dollars here in Sri Lanka to your US dollar account using the online app, and the manager said that's to prevent, again, money laundering, because the app doesn't know who you're sending the money to, and you can only transfer US to US to immediate family members only.
So that's
No, that's what I said. But on the app, it won't let you. It won't let you because the app doesn't know. The app doesn't know. But she said, but come here and you can do.
මෙතනින් ගන්න එක පල්ලා මෙතනින් ගන්න එපා. මෙතනින් මේ අපි ඊයේත් බැලුවානේ.
මේක නෙමෙයි ඊයේ. අද ඉස්සර එක බැලුවා.
නැහැ ළමයි ඔතන යම් ඔතනින් ගන්න එපා.
මම අද යනවා.
නෑ දවල්ට යනකොට ගේන්න පුළුවන් නේ මොකද්ද?
වෙන්දර උතනින් ගන්න මැඩම්.
නැහැ. මෙතනින් නෙවෙයි. අපි ගන්නේ ඔයා ඒ පොඩි මේ තැනට යන්නේ
ඈ
අපි වෙන තැනකට යන්නේ මේ මුඩුක්කෝ ASCII ගිහිල්ලා අපි මේ එක සැරයක් මොකද්ද මොනවද දෙයක් කරන්න අපි ආපහු ගෙනිච්චා එයාට පෙන්නලා
සර්ස් එක කඩාන පස්සේ
මං නෑ කතියක් එක කතා කරන්න ඕනේ මං කියන්න ඔයා මේ මුඩුක්කෝ ASCIIට ගිහලා ඒ මේ ලේඩි කෙනෙක්ගෙන් ගත්තා ළමියෝ ආන්න
දැන් මට කොයි පොලේ මාකට් එකේ
ඔව්
All right. So, yeah, so we got keys made today. We got keys made for the house because I need a set of keys. When I go out and come back at midnight, there's no keys to come into the house.
that was the idea.
Okay, thanks, love. And then, so the second thing at the bank was I can actually buy US dollars these days. They said it, I mean, last year I couldn't, but now I can buy US dollars. I just need to bring my plane ticket and the reason why I need US dollars, and they'll sell me. I mean, there's a limit, but they'll sell me US dollars. All right, we'll see you guys on the other side. Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to end the video on the banking just with a little bit of information. But look at how beautiful it is today. It has finally stopped raining, like pouring rain every day. So we've had some nicer weather. Gotta watch out for the cow poop on the ground. The car ran over it, it's tracking it everywhere. So I wanted to end the video on the banking with just some information for you guys on the banking system here in Sri Lanka. So as a foreigner, you could invest. The problem being is that taking the money out, you have to pay 5% income tax, capital gains tax or income tax on the interest, but you're earning anywhere from short-term 13.5% to 1 or 2 years at 12.5%. That is at a finance company, which is backed by a bank. So HMB, which is the popular one, you can get upwards of that at the maximum. But at a registered bank, which the odds are won't fail, you're getting anywhere from 13% to 9.7% for 2 years. So the other thing is that the banks here are insured, so the savings are protected. And finally, people were saying, you know, what happens if something happens to the bank or the economy or what have you? I mean, when was the last time that you saw a country's bank fail? And, you know, you can talk about South America, things like that. Even in America, banks have failed. But if that is going to happen, it's time to leave the country. You know, it really is. I am bullish on the Sri Lankan economy because for 2 reasons. Number one, now I really got to ask them to fill in that pothole if they could do that. Number one, the economy is growing. That's the number one thing. The economy is growing here and it can grow. One of the good things about recovery from the IMF is that Sri Lanka has the opportunity for capital inflow, and that capital inflow is all from tourism. The amount of money we can make from tourism is huge, and it's all new money. It's not growing domestic money. Growing domestic money takes longer. Exporting products for sale and profit takes longer. because you have to sell more of it because of the exchange rate. But when you bring money in, foreign capital in, US dollars, because that's what foreigners bring, they bring US dollars or euro, that is pure profit. And the numbers, the tourism numbers are going up every month. It's ridiculous how many are going up. And even domestic, like we're spending a lot of money when we go on vacations, mini day trips and stuff like that. So I'm bullish on the economy, bullish on the interest rate staying at a stable 10%. I'm bullish on the Sri Lankan rupee maintaining its level and not further decreasing. All I need to do is worry about the US economy and the Korean economy, because I transfer money from Korea to US dollars, transfer it here to Sri Lanka, and then I'm currently keeping a little bit in US dollars and then converting the rest to Sri Lankan rupees and putting that into term deposits. So I currently have one for 6 months at 13.75%, and in February I'm going to put a huge one for hopefully 12%, 12.5%, if not 10%, depending on which institution I go to. So far the money's safe and the profits are there. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Sri Lankan Sammi, I'm out.